8 Essentials for starting and building an online business successfully. Domain name. Any company's online presence is validated by its website. Even if an individual wants to sell any of his services, he needs a website or a platform through which he can meet his prospective customers. Owning a website will go a long way in earning credibility in the online world. People want to see some sort of proof before they start relying on you and spending money on the products you recommend. Therefore, it is in your best interest to invest some of your money into owning a website. Proper hosting plan. The next hurdle to be crossed is to choose a proper hosting plan for your requirements. Most of the hosting providers give their customers more than what is required. But as a beginner, you will have to decide upon whether to go with a single domain or a multiple domain hosting plan. A dedicated hosting is not required at this stage. The prices will vary significantly. But if you plan to extend your online presence and build your business by creating multiple sources, it is advisable to buy a multiple domain hosting plan. Your first domain will be hosted as your primary domain, and the further ones which you add will be taken as add-on domains which function in a similar manner. Basic technical skills. Online business requires every person to be familiar with some basic technical skills. Although you are not required to be a coder, you should know some basic things like HTML and PHP. For the starters, it is sufficient to know how to alter a particular block of code to get the desired results. You need not write the code for tweaking your website. Some other aspects like handling the FTP programs and connecting them to your web hosting provider is required. You will also have to understand the structure of the files and folders in the remote server where your website is hosted. More importantly, the folder public_HTML needs to be understood thoroughly with its features, advantages, and disadvantages. Any file placed in this folder will be seen by the entire world. Therefore, you have to be careful as to what should and should not be seen by the world. On the other hand, anything placed outside this folder will not be seen. Traffic generation. The next thing is to generate traffic to your site so that you can monetize and earn money. To do this, you will have to follow some basic traffic generation strategies and understand them properly so that you can get the most out of them. Some traffic sources are free of cost but require your time. Other sources require you to shell out some money but may help build customer base quickly and earn you money quickly. Depending on your budget, you will have to develop a mix of these traffic sources. Optimized monetization. When your site starts getting a good flow of traffic, you will have to monetize it and earn money. For this to work, you should have a monetization strategy set and working well before driving traffic to your site. You can place ads on your site or sell your own products. You may also send your visitors through a proper sales funnel by giving them some free stuff in the starting and selling them high-ticket items at the end. No matter what is the strategy, it should be set up beforehand and should be functioning properly. Automation. Online business gives you the freedom to automate most of the processes. Although 100% automation is not beneficial as your business requires your intervention and monitoring occasionally, it is possible to automate most of the things which earlier ate away your precious time. You will have to build a strategy to automate your website which will earn you money on autopilot. You may either outsource most of the things or you may make use of some program to take care of your website. But automation should be a goal in the mind of every online business owner. Plowing back. When your website starts making you money, it is crucial that you develop some plowing back strategy to use your profits optimally. Many online business owners who achieved early success have been known to lose all their money as they spend it without reinvesting in the business. Have a simple plan as to how much of that money which you earn online will be reinvested into the business to build its foundation. Further, you will also have enough financial backup to make use of paid sources and achieve quick results. Expansion. Lastly, you will also have to think about how you are going to scale up your business into larger markets and capture greater number of leads. Developing plans of expansion along the way will reap great benefits when the time is right. Have an expansion plan in the back of your mind and set goals in reaching that level. When you reach the perfect period in your business where you no longer can remain limited to the present conditions, it is time to implement that plan and reach higher levels in your business.